Hello children, now we are moving to question number 1 of the same exercise, 6th and 8th part. First of all, 6th part. It says find the common factors of these three terms. First of all, again, 16x cube minus 4x square and 32x. First of all, find the factors of 16x cube. Lowest factor from starting from 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to is 4, 4 4 16. And factors of x cube, x into x into x. Then minus 4x square. Understand it very nicely. First of all, minus 1. And factors of 4, 2 into 2. Factors of x square, x into x. Then 32x. Variable is x. That will be separated. 32. 2 into 2. That will be 2 raised to the power 5 into x. 2 2's 4, 2's 8, 2's 16, 2's 32. Now we need to find the common factors. First of all, find out which are the common values. Minus is not common in all the three. 1. So common factors. And we term it as SCF. 2. 2. Again 2, not there. X, yes. Only one time. Clear? So what will be the SCF or the common factor? SCF will be equals to 2 into 2 into x. Answer will be 4x. Now we are moving to the eighth part. First of all, factors of 3x square y cube. Find out. 3 into x square factor is x into x. Y cube factor is y into y 3 times. Then factor of 10x cube y square. That will be equals to 2 into 5 into x 3 times. Y 2 times. Similarly, factors of 6x square y square z. 2 into 3 into x 2 times, y also 2 times, z. So common factors. Find out the common factors. Now you can find it very easily. Just see 3 is not common there, 2 is not common there, 5 is not in common of the 3. So only common value is x. This one. First of all x. Then second also x into x. Then y. See 1, 1, yes, y is common 2 times. Z is common? No. So what are the common factors? X square into y square. So what will be the SCF? So that means SCF will be equals to x square y square. That is, it is common in all the three terms. Okay, now we're moving to question number 2. Its first part says factorize the following expressions. Factorize. First part is 7x minus 42. From these two terms, you can find 7 common. 7x minus 7 6 42. So what are the factors? 7 and x minus 6. You can do it in another way also. Find the factors of 7x. 7 into x, 42. 7, 42 factors, that will be equals to 2 into 3 into 7. That is equals to 42. Now common value only 7. Can you find any other thing? No. So we will take 7 common. 7 into x minus 7 into 6. 7x minus 6. So factors are 7 and x minus 6. Whichever way you find it easy, you can do it. In the same way, we are moving to the third part. Third part says 7a square plus 14a. 7a square plus 14a. Now find the factor. First of all, you can take 7 common. a square plus 2a. Here you can see a is common. 7 into a into inside left is a minus 2. So that will be our answer. 7a bracket start a minus 2. These will be the factors. Now the fourth part. It says minus 16z plus 20z cube. Now from the factor you can see minus is not common to both of these. You can easily find the variable z. First of all take the variable z. It is minus 16 plus 20 z cube upon z, that means z square. Now 4 16, 4 5 20, you can take 4 also common. Minus 4 plus 5z square. So our answer will be 4z minus 4 plus 5z square, that will be our answer. Now moving on to the seventh part, it says 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. You can find it separately or combined way also. A square, b square, c square, nothing is common. 10, 15, 20. You can just find only one thing common, that is 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. So only 5 is common. So take 5 common. We are left with 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. So that will be our answer. Hope you understand this.